Yo, what's up YouTube? What's up TikTok? What is up family? Family? We're all family. Cool as. Cool as. Fire. Alright man, let's have a look over here. Cool as. Aussie. What up Bluey? What up ST? What do you think about VWAP? Yeah, I got no judgment on it at all. Man, I wanted to take this breakout. I was waiting for this level. I've been waiting for this break above here, but yeah, I just wasn't really paying. I wasn't watching the charts at this point. A couple of guys in the mentorship caught this breakout here. Pretty textbook stuff, right? Break above a level, retest, and push. High volume time. Doesn't get any simpler. What up, Shibby? Mitch caught it, yeah. Oh, you caught it too, Cody? Yeah, nice. All right, that's good. It hasn't broken. Yeah, FX is a bit off today, you guys, so just be careful. Barra. Big Paul, what up? I think it's going to be a good idea to do a bit of a top-down analysis here. My eyes are burning. Burning spears. I went to the beach. Yeah, FX is heaps different today. What up, Dillawa? David Holmes, bro. Let's do a real quick analysis here, you guys, just to get a pulse on where we're at here. Monthly is very strong, moving up. You can see 1, 2, 3, the last 4 months, the same thing has happened. We've tried to move up and then rejected off. And I was saying, like, typically when you see something like this, it's like, you know, it's tried 4 times. Why does it keep trying? You know, the value of gold is obviously moving up, and you know, I could see it punching through this. I think we'll start heading up. I don't know when we're going to head up, but well, it looks like we're heading up. If you look at the weekly, nice type 2 here on the weekly. We've got a big weekly wick over here. Could we gravitate to fill that wick and then keep punching out past that? Maybe. The daily, I was saying yesterday that, or this morning on the Asia stream, that this daily candle, does anyone remember that? I was saying don't be fooled, because you could look at this and say, well, it looks like we're losing volume so much to the degree that it's now closing red. I was like, nah, I'm not buying it. I would look at that as a support level for it to continue up, and it's kind of what it's doing, right? Breaking all these highs over here. Really wanted to anticipate this move that's happening kind of right now. So it might be cooked here today for the London session, because the move that I wanted to be a part of is kind of happening. 4 hour, super strong. That previous one broke above the level. The next one held support, and then we've kind of rocketed past. Super strong 1 hour candle. Strong 30s and strong 15s. I mean, I would love to get some sort of type 2 pullback and then take a buy position over here. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see if the market wants to kind of present anything for us. Yeah, it's a shame. I really wanted to be a part of this fucking move up. On my Starbucks ting. They even write you a little message. Enjoy your day. So tell me what to do. Type shit. Big Mitch, yeah, I was just saying, Mitch, that fucking W trade there, I wanted to be a part of that as well. I just wasn't watching. Awesome, man. I'll have to live through you guys. I mean, in terms of NQ, yeah, I don't know. Maybe a buy above. Yeah, I'm not too concerned with NQ just yet. Took the trade, if you notice, in Discord. Oh, let's have a look at what trade did you take in the Discord. Oh, this is Forex. This is Forex here. Broke above this. Yeah, I noticed on Forex there was like this level right here. Like W for you, it played out. I wouldn't personally have taken it just because there's that level right there you're buying straight into. But there's volume in the market and it worked out nicely. Good stuff, man. Break above that level there. Makes sense. Yep, W. Anyone that wants to join the Disty, I'll throw a link here in the YouTube chat for you cats. Free Discord over here. Got a whole community over here in the Discord. Yeah, I just threw the free link over in the chat on YouTube. But yeah, awesome, man. Here we're on gold. Back at it again. Back at it with another trade. Break above on NQ. Yeah. Yeah, I think that could be the go. I mean, NQ's... I can look quite nice. I guess there's like medium volume in NQ. Just kind of cruising around. No clear direction. Where gold has been like, I've had a better pulse. I got a way better read on where gold is in the market. And yeah, I really wanted to be a part of these buys, unfortunately. But on to the next. Don't get too like tied to it. Yeah, I'm trading these. I'm just about to fucking, yeah, cook up these top step accounts and start trading some toppies. Swaggy D, what up, Roddy G? Roddy G and Swaggy D. Yeah, man, the one thing about the beaches here in Dubai is like they're literally just like jumping into a salt pool of salt. What time you live here? Every day, 7 minutes ago. What up, Chris? Third day in the live, I had 1 L in New York and 2 wins with your strat. Nice. 1 L, 4 wins. Beautiful, man. Good stuff. No homo, I like it. Nah, bro, that's Diddy. Nah, thank you, brother. Yeah, it's... My camera's glitching out today. I don't know what's going on with it. Cashy! Cash money. Cash rules everything around. Oh no, don't tell me copper moved up. Oh no, copper's doing nothing. What type of crypto wallet am I using? What are you talking about? Market is good, brother. Yeah, getting close to passing these. If it's a good setup, I'll try and pass on the next trade. If it's a medium to good, I'll just give it 2 trades. And then if I lose a trade, I'm back at Macca's. Because if you lose a trade, you're a loser. Fucking loser. Have you given up with Bulldogs? Nah, I haven't given up. I've still got them there. I'll still trade Bulldogs. But yeah, I definitely wanted to focus on just getting some of these toppies past. T-step. Can you kindly share the Discord link? If you kindly come over to the YouTube, I'm live on YouTube right now. You'll see it pinned in the kind chat. Yeah, I pinned it in the chat. The YouTube link. So we'll see here, my dudes. I want to take a trade. Yeah, I wouldn't mind taking a trade here. So if we... Wimby, what up, what up, what up? FK. Is Raja Banks legit or broker is a scam? Brother, what do you mean a scam? Like, think about what you're saying. Seriously, think about what you're saying. What do you mean a scam? Like, you're going to put your money in there to trade and then you're just going to vanish? Like, you'll never see Raja he never streams again. You never hear anything ever again. Think about it. Roger being scamming. All you guys that say that are just, yeah, you need brain replacements. Yeah, you guys are gonna need some sort of brain replacement. Didn't allow withdrawal in Somalia. What do you mean? You mean withdraw or buy an account? Yeah, you can do that, JK, yeah. I never had FXA accounts. I always had Bullinox accounts, brother. But I'm decided that I wanted to get funded with Top Step. Max, they allow you, your max you're allowed is 5 bangers, so. That's what I've heard of people. And then just say to the people that say, show me the evidence that you got scammed. Like, they're just, yeah. What up, Mevi? He won't vanish, he'll take 1 to 2 today. 1 to 2 today. My eyes are fucking burning, bro. Sleepy Pez. Oh, Pez has arisen. We have Pez in the building. The myth, the legend. Both withdrawals and... Really? And what did they say about the withdrawal? And what do the reviews say, Neo? Oh, that's kind of better on my eyes, actually. Yeah, people are going to think I'm an absolute dickhead. You catch that long? Nah, I would have. Some of the other guys did. I would have, but I wasn't watching the chart. Yeah, beautiful. I was really anticipating this move. NFP. Need some blue lights? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I spent a lot of time looking at the chart, especially like because I wake up at the crack of dawn and then jump straight on the screen. It, yeah, it cooks my eyes as well. You can use it on every Yeah, I need some blue waffle glasses. The reviews say 1 to 3 today. That's all that you gotta do. Need some C4, yeah. How do you trade? Explain your strategy. Explain yourself. Yeah, just wait for some key areas to get tapped into. And yeah, and then just take a buy or something. Imagine that's the elevator pitch. Someone's like, can you explain your strategy? It's like, yeah, just wait for like some areas. No sound, turn your speaker up. Yeah, you just gotta turn your speaker up. Wow, so we flip green here. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Yes, love all-time highs on gold. Yep. I'm gonna give this another crack. Yeah, I don't care if people hate on the brother. I don't care anymore. So yeah, I guess we just gotta wait, you guys. We've got to see, let some structure develop here. We've got to let this play out a little bit here. Above 3460. Yeah. Yep. That's like range 2 then, right? We move into the next. like realistically, guys, that this is kind of like how I've been looking at the charts the last week or so, is really like, you know, there's this range that we're being kind of stuck in. Then there's this range which I wanted to be a part of. I wanted to buy up into this range, but unfortunately it kind of happened before I was able to watch. And then above there is, it's essentially this range. Like we've really only got one other range. Yes, there's some minor shit through here on the way up. You know, you got a level here and there's some other shit on the way up, but it's really, at the moment, it's broken down in these three ranges. And then above the green, all-time highs, my dudes. So, yeah, maybe, I guess we'll kind of see if we can get an opportunity to play back, you know, playing this red range. I want to play, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah. Hey Daniel, what's up? Why would I give you out my phone number on TikTok? Why would I do that? Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, nice. Pass another banger. Beautiful. How's Raja Banks? How is he? How's Raja Banks? Let's ask him. Brother, I'm on stream and people are asking, how is Raja Banks? So how are you, man? Let's see if he replies. Or if he ghosts me like Tori. Oh, check this out, you guys. Come on, camera. Oh, you can sort of see it. That word. Tori Trades Assistant. Tori's Trades Assistant. So we'll see. Want to do today? No, I'm not trading 1 to 5 minute. None of that shit. Beyond rugby. Yeah, none of that. If I get up after 5 hours sleep and we don't get a trade, yeah, it's probably going to be the case, Pez. No, I haven't contacted the manager yet. My system might be in Maryland, but yeah. Is NQ breaking above? Yeah, NQ might be our last hope today. Nice. If this closes red and the next one breaks above, that's fucking awesome. Make a trade live, bro. I'll make a trade live if you make the market do what I need to see. Then I will make a trade live. Daniel, is it good to have a loan to trade? Bad idea. Very bad idea. It's better to sell your house. What the fuck? Bro, is there really a Forex secret or is it just about discipline and probabilities? Yeah, more the second thing. There's no such thing as a secret, bro. Yeah. Hi, my name is Adrian. I'm partners with marketing team at PU Prime, a global these brokers. What's the vision here? Bro, I'm going to be brutally honest. It's looking more like an NQ play here today. Gold's already moved a ton. We're going to need to wait for some red to form. If NQ can like kind of close red like this here on this candle and the next one break above, I'll be interested in a sell. I mean a buy. So close to passing this combine. Nice. Yeah, no rush, brother, as well. Remember when you get close to passing, it's like, oh, I'm so close. And then that's where shit goes south. I always say, like, if you're getting close, even if it takes like a week or 2 or 3, you know, that's fine. Do you use FVGs and order blocks? No. Nah. Just simple price action. Just reading candlesticks, that's all. No other things other than that. No other things other than just reading candlesticks. Daniel, you're so tough. Bluey. Someone's got to be. Someone has to be the toughest man alive. I'm tough until the markets beat me up. Beat me up, Scotty. Beat me up, Scott. Daniel, tell us about your broke times and struggle in Forex and help. Okay, here's my broke times and struggle in Forex. 2.5 years straight of just doing the dumbest shit possible. Yeah. It was all ego. That's all it was. It was all ego. You come to a point where you have to submit to the market and you just go, you know what? I can't beat you. I've just got to get real good at doing the really basic thing. What I say is we just get really good at doing one little thing at one little time and that's it. That's all. I don't need to read the market. I don't need to understand all this shit. All I need to do is execute my one little thing really good. And that's all. But before I got to that point, I always thought, I had to do this. And then I was always strategy hopping and just being a loser. And then I just went back to very simple price action. And then I found success again. But you know, at the end of the day, it's always about your management, psychological management as well. Yeah, that was very difficult. There's a lot of characteristics that I had as an individual that were showing up on the charts. One is like, you know, I would have considered myself a bit of a winner in life, like things that I would set my mind to, I would typically achieve. And I thought I could hard work my way to success with trading, but you can't. It's not about hard work. It's about kind of discipline and just consistency. The biggest thing in trading is resilience. Like if you can stick to one thing and resilience and just keep going with that one thing, but it has to be a proven edge. A lot of people stick with one thing in the market, but it's a shit system. Like it has to be a proven edge, and then you just show up without getting discouraged, or when things go south, you switch boats, and yeah, you just get really good at being resilient and sticking to the basics. So guys that find the most success. So here's the thing, I've been mentoring for quite a while now, and I do it different. I'm telling you, no one in the industry mentors the way that I do, where it's really one-on-one, right? So I get to see the progress of guys and girls. You know, we're getting guys funded and becoming profitable traders. Yeah, they're not rich yet, but they're profitable traders in like under 6 months. Like I'm seeing it unfold. The guys that are doing it the most consistent and easy and psychologically easy as well is the guys that just stick to the plan. They keep doing the thing. They don't deviate. They just like show up tomorrow, even though yesterday was red or whatever it may be, and assess the mistakes. Typically the mistakes are all psychological ones. They're not technical ones. Yeah, it's always, I fucked out. You know, I got a bit tilted here or whatever. Oh, Forex is about to break past this big level here. Okay. There's that pop. Yeah, gold's moving up, you guys. All the way up. Been following you a while, but recently you've increased performance a lot. What would you say? What do you mean by performance? EA. My performance in the bedroom. Roger Banks is your student, Daniel? Yes, I taught Roger. Yeah, I taught Roger everything. Tariff start tomorrow, really? Wow, that's interesting. We could get some crazy volume. I'm telling you guys, from like moving into these next couple of weeks and months moving forward, I know like volume is coming, like good volume is coming towards from here to the end of the year. Like, I'm glad that I'm teaching some guys now because we're loading up in our head what the game plan, how to perform on the charts. And then as shit picks up in the markets, we strike like a tiger. Zest. I was in a barber shop the other day and there was a picture on the wall of a lion smoking a cigar. It was like, discipline. I was like, eee. It was black and white. Definitely become more consistent with your win rate and overall profitability. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I think it's due to just sticking to the same thing. I never deviate from my system because I know the system works. So I think I'm even getting better as a trader as time goes on as well. Right? Because I'm not deviating. I'm never, you know, you're not gonna see me start maybe looking at the 1 minute, or I'm gonna start thinking about trend lines or fucking this or that. Just stick to the system because I know it works. Wow, look at this, you guys. This is pretty cool stuff. We've moved up a lot here. 180 pips. Shit. Yeah, NQ, you might be our Superman NQ, hopefully. Yeah, NQ might be the saving grace. Do you take trades based off Forex? Nah, I'm just looking at Forex because they're very different today. They're very different today. I look at Forex 4-hour candle. Yeah, that's all I look at is the Forex 4-hour candle because it's different to the futures one. That's all. I never look at the 15. And if I do, it fucks in my head, so I try not to. NQ with the side quest, yeah. Have you ever thought about looking at the UK 100 for... I mean, does this have it? What's the UK 100? Is that just what it's called? I don't think Top Step have that. Again, my whole thing is simplicity, so I just stick to gold and a little bit of NQ. Less is more. Look at XAU USD, bro. Good for a sell. Bro, fix your brain. Fix your brain. Why is this good for a sell? Please tell me, man. Please, please, please. Bro, good for sell. Really good for sell. I love you, bro, but come on, man. If it's moving up, we want to buy. If it's moving down, then look at sells. Actually, you know what? Do whatever. Don't listen to me. I'm just some dude with glasses on. If you're new here, don't judge me for wearing glasses. It's because my eyes are sore. I went in salt water. Yeah, graph. I have a question about risk management for prop accounts. How do you calculate max risk? For example, challenge 10. I don't think about it too much. Like, that's probably not the best advice for you, but just have a dollar amount that you're willing to lose per day. That's all. And then obviously 1 to 2 trades a day. Yeah. Don't trust a guy wearing glasses. Yeah, that's true. All right, there's a closure. This is a pretty major level above where we just closed above here. Wow. Wait, what's this? Is this... What the fuck am I looking at? MGC. Why do I have a level here? Oh, I'm too far to the left. Thank God. Yeah, so look at this level here, you guys. Interesting. Above this? Fuck. I mean, I guess we've already... Remember how before I drew up this is the red range? Look how we've already punched through that range now. Damn, that's a 30 closure. Hot damn. Beautiful. Beautiful volume. Thank you for the GIF over there, Berand. First 30 closure of London. NQ closed red. Nice. Yeah, if this next one can break above this level here, I'll put a note here. I would like to buy this. These glasses are actually like AI glasses, and I can see, yeah, the hidden levels. I got like 9,000 indicators that are scanning the screen. Makes them look edgy. Yeah, so edgy, man. Why are you not replying to me, bro? What did you say? You just said gold 1,000 times, bro. What the fuck? Hey, bro, why are you not replying to me? You literally said gold. One word 1,000 times. What up, broker pips? Can gold go to all-time highs today? I mean, if it went to all-time highs today, that would be a history-making amount of movement. So I would say no. No. That would be 1,200 pips in one day. I don't think gold's ever moved that much in one day. I mean, let's have a look, has it? This looks like some of the biggest candles down here. Oh, 1,100 pips there. Yeah, anything's possible, bro. Look at this big one here. What's this? 1,100 again. Sheesh. Shisha. Yeah, I'm gonna have to ban this kid. Sorry, man, but this is just too much. Hide user from the channel. Dude, stop flexing the beard, now the glasses. I know. I don't know. I just guess I have to do it. It's all good. It's all good. Is it possible? It's possible, but tomorrow is Friday, is it? Is tomorrow Friday? Oh, wow, it is too. I don't think Graph's here. Draft set up on the 5th. Yeah, as I came onto stream, I was like, ah, god damn it. I could tell gold had broke past this major level and it was moving up. I was like, ah, man. You're going to do us dirty, gold? Trying to book a one-on-one. Yeah, there's no such thing as just one-off one-on-ones anymore, brother. It's only for the guys in the mentorship. Look, it looks like a lot of you guys are taking buys here. Yeah, if you want to join, you can go to my website and do it through there, bro. DanielHolmestrades.com. DanielHolmestrades.com/Tim Westwood TV. Yeah, that's my webby there. You can have a look, some more details. Remember those 1,000 tick days? Yeah, and then they were crazy, man. Can you explain why you buy gold NQ? Yeah, I guess we've just kind of been consolidating for a little while here on NQ. I guess, you know, I haven't really done a full proper top-down analysis here, so let me just do a real quick one. Weekly candle moving up. Daily candle moving up. Oh, beautiful. So this 4-hour candles have been moving up pretty strong. This previous 4-hour held support here. So, you know, if we look at that as a lower time frame play, I know that there's structure there now on the 4-hour to be held. What up, Callum? And if I get a smaller time frame break above here, it's going to give me some confirmation of a continuation for at least, you know, 20 pips. So before that happens, it looks like on the lower time frames, we're just cooking up. And if we get a break above, I believe there's a pretty decent, we've got clean traffic to the left. Yep, very clean traffic to the left. And I think there's a good probability that we could move up a little bit. You got to remember when a key area like this is consolidated and then price breaks and closes above that, what that really is implying is that there's enough buyers in the market to hold price above a previously respected level. And then when it wicks down, like if you really break down what a wick down is, initially that's just like, looks like this, right? It's moving back down. Like, so sellers are taking back over and pushing the price of NQ down. And then buyers say, no, fuck all that. Push it back up. It turns into a wick. That's my confirmation that sellers weren't able to take over. And then my position's sitting there. So I'm kind of stacking multiple things in my favor with the overall belief that price is ready to move up for at least 20 pips. Am I trying to take this to all-time highs? No, I don't need to. It's not my job. My job is just to rat scalp this bitch. Rat. I'm just trying to scalp this little bitch. I'm trying to get my little piece of the pie. And with the right amount of size used, that's all that I need to do. I need a kiss. I need a kiss. I'm 5 years in, coming to the realization I'm not the point where I'm about to hit a pile of gold and I'm out of ideas. My pickaxe is blunt. I know I'm close. So here's the thing, Moody. If you've been out for 5 years, there's a high probability you've picked up a lot of bad habits along the way. Hopefully you've been journaling. You really need to figure out what's the reason why you haven't been able to break through. There's going to be something there. Yeah, there's going to be something there because you've been in the game long enough now. There's going to be something there, but you're really going to need to figure out. Yeah, I know. I'm fine. Yeah, it's Thursday. Wild Thursday, as they say. What are your thoughts about TJR? I have the most hectic thoughts about him that you wouldn't even believe. Nah, I don't know anything. How big is your wick? How big is this a rejection wick have to be for the considered end? It depends. It depends, Mac. A good question. It depends. Yeah. So in a case like this, I wouldn't need much. It also depends how far away it breaks as well. If this were to push up maybe like that and it looked like that, I'd be like, God damn it. Now that's quite high. Because I would want to take my entry at the break of that wick. So if it broke up this high, I would have to really think about what's going to happen then. I would want like a pretty decent wick, or there's a few different ways to approach it. There's actually so many ways. Like people think when I break down like a breakout on social media, like this breakout strategy will fucking turn you transgender. And it's like, it's really simple. I just say, oh yeah, break above here or retest and then you're good to go. I'm not trying to give you all the sauce. I'm just telling you the basics of like a breakout, how it works, right? Break, test, push. But it very rarely will work out like that. It typically is always, there's a lot of nuances that it will throw at you. And then, yeah, I don't know. I mean, the guys in the mentorship know this is how we approach each scenario, really. Yeah, there's a lot of nuances. People think price action trading is simple, which it is on paper, but there's so many fucking nuances you have to have a pulse on. Gold's moving, man. Gold's moving. God damn, bruh. Mitch, you're a shit trader. You should have held, bro. 200 pips since pre-London. Fuck. Yeah, as I came on a pre, I was like, the level's been broken. Yeah, we're cooked. On Top Step, you have been adding to your trade, or do you want to? Oh, have you been adding to your trade? You start with a higher lot size. El Mitch. Oh, look, here's Raja. Remember how I asked him how is he going? Let's see what he reckons. Hope he doesn't say anything bad.
The people of Daniel. The people of Daniel. I'm doing better than Daniel.
Nah, he's not. I'm way richer than Raja. You know Raja's got a Ferrari and Lambo and all this shit? Bro. Do you know how much my hire car is? Little Hyundai. There's the Raja Banks for you. FOMO's gripping you. FOMO's got Cody by the schlong. He doesn't really know your real name, David. Fuck. Is it possible to connect accounts from different prop firms? I don't know. Does anyone know that? I think you can buy an external prop firm. I got an external, an external copy trader. Yeah, it's going to cost you money. You need to sell now, bro, because it's too high. Hey, bro, fix your brain. I'm after streaming for 1 year and having that comment so much. You know, I try to be a cool guy. Like, I'm chill. Like, it's all good, bro. It's all good. But something about that comment just grinds my gears. Something about that exact comment really hurts my soul. Please NQ close above. Nah, who cares? Even if it doesn't. You got to get so good at waiting, man. You have to be. Every time you go on the charts, you'll be like, man, if my shit's not coming, then I'm not trading. Just always imagine that you've got $1 million account and it's somebody else's money. So you want to wait for that. You want to wait for that fucking quality setup. If not, if you take a trade with somebody else's $1 million account and it's a L and they say, oh yeah, I need you to talk me through this trade because, you know, you just lost us $10,000. And you're like, oh, well, you know, I seen gold moving up and so I clicked buy. And they'll be like, that just cost us $15,000. You know what I mean? So it's like, just wait for the actual good shit. Then why didn't you take longs at the break on the break of the wicks? MGC. The only time to enter here was this candle here. Yeah. Only time I enter was a breakout of this consolidation range here, but I wasn't watching the charts then, unfortunately. And then ever since then, it just green, 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 green. Green, green, green. Yeah, imagine it's your last $50, and if you fuck it up, then you're back under the bridge. You're back under the bridge. Sorry, Pa, you're getting rug pulled. I'm pulling a Don Vo on you. We got a reverse head and shoulders. I'll freaking give you a reverse head and shoulders. Why do you have a watermark on the charts that... I have it there so people can see that it's gold. What up, May and Zil? 2.5 years cash. Fix your brain. Oh, yeah, it's the only comment that gets me when the market looks like this and people are saying sell, sell. It's bro literally said it's gone too far up. What do you mean? You got to remember what we're actually looking at. We're not looking at an organic organism like a fucking worm moving its way up a hill. We're looking at the value of gold. This is the value of gold, and it's been represented by a fucking bar. Okay, I guess the value of gold's going up. There's no such thing as, oh, the value of gold's just gone too high right now. You know, there's no such thing. It just does what it wants. Ego cash, ego. I kept jumping around, trying to figure it out instead of just sticking to a plan. Every time I took a loss, I would just switch my strategy and yeah, until I just decided to lock in on one thing and understand that if you hear every trader in the industry say strategy hopping is the worst thing for you, isn't it crazy how like our brain just still says, nah, like, you know, oh, I'm different or whatever. Like, that's why when people say like what happened, I said, I started in the trading journey doing exactly what I'm doing now, simple price action. And then for 2 years, I went around the world doing every fucking strategy known to man. I was a swing trader. I was a 1 minute trader. I was opening range breakout trader. I was a freaking ostrich. And then I came back and locked in and said, you know what, man, I can't outbeat these markets. I have to submit to the markets, right? It goes God, the markets, and then me. And then just stuck to the simple price action trading. In the years of trading this system, I haven't changed it a bit. I haven't added in, oh, let's start looking at the 1 minute or the 5 minute, or let me start doing this. No, don't change. Have we adjusted it in terms of the volume and as the markets change? Yes. Okay, you know, let's extend the stop loss, extend the shits, whatever. But it doesn't need to change. The philosophy behind the entire system doesn't need to change. That's where things start going south. And when do people typically start changing their strategy? After taking a few losses. And that's why I say you need to shift your mindset about what trading even is. Trading isn't about if you win a trade today. It's about 100 trades. Tori smash or pass? Bro, I can't say anything inappropriate. She might be coming on the stream. She might be coming on the stream. Are there days where you don't take a trade because your setup doesn't show? Yes. Yep. Yes. Are you trading every session? Bro, I'm basically trading every session at this point. I don't like to trade New York, and I probably don't. I trade Asia every day and London, without a doubt, those two. But then unfortunately, sometimes I'll turn the computer on at New York and be like, oh, let me have a little, let's see what's happening over here. Big FX, what up? Did you have a mentor? Oh, Raja Banks. Dan, 10 push-ups. We bullish today? Yes, we are bullish. Just buy. Yeah, this one failed to break above here. We'll see if the 30 can break above. Do you go live for Asia? Yes, but only for the mentorship people. Any videos about your type 1, type 2 strategy? No, but I will make a breakout long format video probably next week. Yeah, I'll start making some like breakout videos. I mean, gold, fucking good luck, man. I don't know what's going on here. Very clean traffic here to the left. Really would like a pullback of some sort. NQ's kind of not giving us much either. A break above this level would be cool. Love you, Slam Media. Slam Media. Oh, the filming I was doing on Tuesday was for these cats, documentary type beat. Yeah, mad documentary type story, trading story type thing. These guys, they do dope as documentary things for traders, trading journeys. Look, they had Swaggerlicious on the other day. They've had Raja on. Raja Banks. Right. Ready? That's Raja telling you how small your PP is. This small. 1 to 2 PPs a day. Wow. So yeah, that's who that was for. That was who those guys were. Should be dropping a mad, yeah, trading story, journey story, just telling my story about how I came up and all the shits. How do you stay focused on the Asia session? Not a lot of going on there. No, gold has volume in Asia. It's hit and miss sometimes, but yeah. Plans on running a simulation session soon? Yeah, that might be a good idea. I only just got the simulator running today, finally. Raja Banks is a layer, bro. Haha. All-time Raja trade live, he lost. Yeah, I don't know anything. All I know is he's crushing it on all sectors. How much profit you make in trading? Billions. Wow, it's still fucking moving up. Crazy, man. Nice, Chris. Awesome, man. Might as well just sit here for a minute and see if NQ can do something. What are Australian girls like, bro? I mean, at this rate, better than Dubai girls. Yeah, I'm kind of scarred from Dubai girls, to be honest. Do you live stream in London every day? Yes. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream if you're not thumbs up already. Live here every day. I've had 1,200 people here and only 60 people have clicked the like button. That means that you literally hate me. Statistics have shown that. NASA did a study into it. I almost lost my 900 grand yesterday. Oh, 9 rand. Brother, take the money out and put it in your bank. Can you zoom out a little bit so we can see the pair? Zooming out's not going to see the pair. This is NQ. You can see it in the background. Look, NQ. Oh, Sylvia's still holding on. Wow, unbelievable. Damn, you're crushing it lately. Beautiful. Sylvia, I have you today. I have you today, I think, for a one-on-one, yeah. I don't hate you. I'm only joking, bro. But I'm glad to hear. Yeah, I'm only joking. All right, Gold, NQ, you got 6 minutes, my dude. Push. Just got off work. Enjoy watching your stream. Are you looking for longs? I mean, I would have been looking for longs, but wow, my eyes are fried. But gold just took off. Yeah, it's just printing green. Green. So yeah, NQ is going to be hopefully saving the day. Is 3 profit on TikTok? What day is Tori coming on your stream? Asking for a friend. I mean, I've got to message her. What can I say to her assistant? Yeah, I'll have to message her assistant after this stream and figure something out to say. Did you miss the gold movement? You know, typically I would say no, I didn't miss it, but I actually did today. Actually, no, I didn't because I don't trade pre-London. But yeah, this broke out pre-London, retested and pushed. Pushed it. So I missed it. I guess you would say I missed it. Ask for it. Yeah, I'll ask for it. Yeah, W. Okay, cool. Start with hello, ma'am. Greetings, madam. Now, I'm just going to say I'll attach my social medias and say, hey, would love to have Tori on the stream. Please, I'll do anything. I'll send a video. Please. I'll do anything. I mean, it wouldn't look too desperate. I don't know, we'll see. Boss, really you my boss? Boss, really you my boss? Boss, I am your boss. We can help you write the message. Huge fan? Yeah, I do need to start with that. TikTok comments fine, yeah. Nice, brother. Yeah, I mean, I'm just looking at gold just for the fun of it. There's no gold trade for London. Most likely. NQ might be the one. I don't know. Maybe there's a gold. We'll see. Why are you wearing sunglasses? I mean, I started wearing them because I went to the beach and a lot of salt went in my eyes, and this alleviated the pain a little bit. But now, yeah, I think it's doing the opposite effect. Help your boy connect. Yeah, legit. Connect, bro. Yeah, I already did a top-down analysis here on NQ, why I'm interested in this as well for higher time frame. So I'm not going to do that again. Nah, the Aussie beaches, Australia's got the nicest beaches in the world, like some of the best beaches in the world. You're not going to beat Australia beaches in Dubai. Abdul, this is NQ. NQ. You can see it in the background. Come on, man. Don't be a little bitch about it, NQ. Just push up. What up, Raj? We've detected inactivity during the current live. Bro, what are you talking about? Alright, yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm pretty happy with this. Do you plan to move back to Australia? No. No. Connect, bro. Gotta get the Connect, bro sound on the text soundboard. Yeah. Doesn't matter. Connect, bro. All right, let's see. I want a retest of some. Oh, this was a 30-minute and an hour as well. Okay, nice. Yeah, I'm going to need a bit of a retest here. I quit trading. Yeah, this is my last trading day, you guys. No, we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. Cool. All good. Fucking, some people are so fucking annoying, man. You know what? I'm not giving up without a fight. If there's one thing you should always do in the market is force a trade. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, you can't get too tilted about it. It is what it is. Like I've been taking like trading like this for so fucking long that this does nothing to me. Like I'm just so used to this stuff because I also know that if I just be patient, like a better setup typically arises. Like if you can just be patient through these kind of situations, a better setup actually comes. Yeah, and Quizzy's doing all sorts of shit. What else do you want, bro? We got a bottom wick already? Nah, I didn't. I could create a bottom wick, but that was just like an impulse open, tiny little wick there. That's not like, I'm talking about a wick as in a retest. Like I wanted to see it actually push down and then I can enter. Like at least to there. But it just kind of opened up, impulsively moved. GG's. Yeah, and Quizzy blue balled, yeah. Be patient like you said to us. Yeah, there's no rush. Like just don't force it. You know, the thing that I've learned the most about trading is if these type of things happen and you just be patient, an even better setup arises. Yeah, I'm with you, Shibby. I'm the same with you. I've been watching all Asia. I've been here, London. Not a single play. Not a single play. I'm on M and Q. You might be on NQ. Maybe it's a little bit different. Got to play in Asia? Absolutely not. Nothing. It was just consolidating in Asia. Consolidation. Discipline over dopamine. That's right. Anytime you're bored and you take a boredom trade, yeah, you're doomed. You're basically doomed. Wow, what a shame. Yeah, see a 4-hour pop here. So the idea was to get that pop, but get a lower time frame confirmation, which we got. There was just one more box that needed to be ticked, which is a wick down and a push up. I would have accepted this bottom wick here, but it happened in like, I can't take a trade in the open candle. Like I need to at least let it breathe for 1 minute, especially as a 1 hour candle closure. Especially as a 1 hour candle closure. So, you sending the Dissy? What am I looking at in the Dissy? Yeah, anyone got any analysis throw in the Dissy as well? Anyone got any analysis you can throw on the Dissy? If this has a pullback and then creates some sort of type 2 play, I'll take some sort of impulse buy back up. Oh, is there cash? Got some red folder tonight for US dollar? Oh, we do. We have unemployment claims tonight. I completely fucking didn't realize that. Wow, gold's having a big pullback here. I didn't realize we had unemployment tonight. Bro, this is like a 100 pip pullback right here. Exactly, Maka. And even not even necessarily like enough time to react. More like I wouldn't have reacted off like an open 1 hour candle like that. I would have had to wait for the right confirmation. Whoa. Okay. Holy. Okay, something's happening over here. This is a bit of an unusual move. 140 ticks. 1 hour closure. Is a 4 hour still open? Is that a 4 hour closure on Forex? No. Holy. Damn, that's going to be cooking a lot of people that are holding longs. Cookery. All right, well, this gives us a little bit more to play with now, at least. We could be back in business. Yeah. It's potentially a liquidity sweep. It's just fucking gold. It's just gold. It's value. It's a value of gold. It just decided that it's not at 3.4 and now it's at fucking 3.5. And Q's pushing up as well. Nah, no type 2s here. Just nothing. Oops. 160 ticks. Trying to pass an account today with $400. I mean, yeah, if it happens, I'll take a $400 trade. As long as the setup's there. Gold just killed so many people, yeah. Gold's got murder on its mind. Wild. Didn't expect that. It's good for us though. Now we've got some range. 170 ticks. What's that on a 5-minute candle? Wow, this is a 5-minute candle. So one 5-minute candle20 ticks. Yeah, some sort of economical news, yeah. Does anyone know? Was there any sort of like some sort of announcement or something? Leader account for others? Yes. That's right. Doing amazing, brother. You now story on the stream. The value of gold is just shit itself after. How do you manage your risk on the challenge phase? I just yeah, just look for like 400 a trade in profit or something on a 50Kers, yeah. Really? Did that just... Okay. We'll see. Well, at least it's given us a bit of range now to play with. It's not just all green, which is cool. GG's. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already as well. Live every day here on YouTube. Live every day. One pip at a time. Why don't you buy 150K? Why? Oh, W standard bloke. Yes, sir. Are you in? You guys are fucking on a call, on a stream, on a fucking... Oh, look at this. W. Just wait, relax. You'll hear me make an announcement. You'll see me pushing it on social media in the next couple days. Yeah, I got big prop firm announcement in the next couple days. You'll see it. I placed the FEG hour time frame, made some money. Good stuff, man. More drawdown and contract size make more money? No, I don't really care. I'll just stack multiple. I'll just rat scalp over 5 accounts, really. Sir, see me in Pakistan? All right, I'm booking a flight to Pakistan because I'm gonna come see you. Fuck it. Yeah, W Callum, awesome, man. Oh, who did that? Oh, Graph is back. Graph is back. Fix your brain, bro. I win. I said so. Oh, here we go. I was waiting for some freaking... Yeah, unfortunately I can't say the R word, but... I was waiting for it. Happens every time. Been streaming for a year straight. I see the same thing over and over. See you never. Savage. Savage Garden. Brain fixed. Yep. Are those your real teeth? I mean, I guess not. I guess, yeah, I guess they're porcelain or something. Yeah, I think they're porcelain or something. Your Mambeline, learn the skill. No. I don't want to learn the skill. Daniel, you're an alpha male? Nah, I'm a beta. I'm a beta. I'm a beta. Beta. Yeah, I'm a beta. Then why don't you show your... Fuck, light just fell. All right, there's that big closure. Nice. Not gonna lie, rat scalping has made me more money than high IRR trading. Yeah, it just depends on your system, I guess, and strategy. Yeah, my strategy is just mainly rat scalping. Daniel, are you from Antarctica or... Yeah, if you can master ratting around, you'll do really well, man. All right, so we've got some shit to play with here. This next candle is going to dictate whether we're getting a setup or not. Yeah, this next candle is dictating whether we get a setup or not. Rat gang. What is a rat scalping? No, I just mean scalping. Just scalping. Just waiting for reading the market and getting you set up. Get your little rat play. Ratatouille. I got rats on my mind. What was I just... Scalping is gambling? Okay, bro. Thanks for filling me in. Again, back with the quality cats over here on TikTok. This dude just can't get enough. He thinks he is top G. Tell me to fix my brain, bro. I win sell. Explain, bro. Yeah, bro. You win sell because it made so much sense that the market impulsively dropped 160 pips. But of course, in a TikTok chat, you win sell. Yeah, we all win sells in TikTok chats, but if you're such that guy, turn on the live stream and trade every single day for a year. Nah, not really, Mad Lord. There's definitely, yeah, there's heaps of different variants, really. Thank you, dope. Yeah, no trades here today, brother. No trades here just yet. Asia consolidated, pre-London broke out, and now we're just here on pre-London seeing if we can get it some sort of little setup here. Thank you, Andy. Mr. Baked Potato look. Yeah, don't sleep on the baked potato look, man. Anybody flexing that they won a sell position here, don't do that, bro. All you're telling us is that you're a shit trader, really. Like, no one's just impulsively putting it. Anyway, nah, you're the GOAT. When podcast with Raja coming out? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. They got lucky? Yeah. Ratatouille. Tommy, I'm doing amazing, brother. Hope you're doing well. Why are you wearing glasses like you're playing poker? Because I have to hide my tears when I blow my accounts on this next trade. I don't know, I'm new to your channel. I have to give you gratitude for trading live in front of 1,000 people. My mentor does not do that. Ah, amazing. I appreciate it. Yeah, like, man, that's the thing. I always say, like, just ask your favorite gurus to trade live for a week straight. You know, yeah, you wanna be trading live and doing what you preach, really. I just made 8 billion. Yep, that's right. Key thing, patience. So yeah, man, I'm here to do the thing, and yeah, a bit of a tricky one here so far. Haven't really been able to. Gold's kind of just Gold's just kind of. I mean, gold and NQ are kind of just doing their thing. Mentor by Rahi only just found out recently, and Oh. Talk about the mistakes people make when they follow price action. Well, it depends, because there's a lot of different terms of price action. Impatience is probably the biggest one. Like if you're looking for a breakout and not waiting for a retest and things like that, or not waiting for candle closures. You know, there's a time and a place to take impulse trades without waiting for a closure, but it's going to take a while to really understand that. Yeah, this is futures, trading views, Forex. What about Bitcoin? I don't know, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, nothing. Look at this big 4-hour wick on gold. Broke back into this range. Wow, big 4-hour wick on futures. Crazy movement here. Who would have thought? Yep, that's everyone, brother. Everyone's, well, not everyone, but yeah, that's the reason why a lot of people take longer than they should, is because of the strategy hopping and, yep. All right, Aaron, so why don't you bring up, I can't be bothered. You know, sometimes I think every time I see a stupid comment, I'm just going to block the person. But then I realize it's going to be impossible. They just, yeah, it's like, you know, them organisms, you like cut in half and they spread out to 3 and the 4. It's like, you just got to chill, I guess. Love you more. Love you a long time. Wow, this is a crazy 30-minute candle. 200 pips so far. What? Make that 230 pips. Fuck it. Let's go all the way down. Make it 300. Swaggy D about to crash. Nah, it's not. Hey, it's just weirdos. Yeah, Carver and Mrs. Soul can come out legit. Yeah, I know, Sundan, it is. It's exactly what it is. So all this range just got completely filled. Unbelievable. Yeah, Trump might be dropping bars on the tweets and all sorts of stuff. Good time to FOMO, yeah. Did he actually tweet Hustler? Please don't write that 1,000 times, bro. I'm just going to block it. It's hard being an alien. Did Trump actually tweet Hustle? Do you use psychologically or round level? I only use psychological levels when we're at all-time highs. Yeah. But even then, I don't really care too much. W, Pez. W. and Bible. Who's Trump? Daniel, camera seek any recommendations? Yeah, get a, my camera is a ZV-E10. The lens matters as well, so get a decent lens. I've got a Sigma lens. What the Sigma? When is your podcast coming out with Raja? Daniel, when is your podcast coming out with Raja? Yeah, I just asked him. Pez is getting rich, jacked, shredded. And I trade NQ on top step and always back on the day. Positive news on Russian negotiations? Nah, the camera costs more than 7. Oh, you're talking about USD. I mean, it's worth the money if you're somebody that creates content regularly and stuff. Sit down, bro. You're making my leg shake. Never. This is Sparta. Aru, what up, what up, what up? Aru is an OG. My first ever stream viewer was History, and then my second ever was Aru. Or people that would comment. Huge 30-minute closure on NQ. Yeah, it's a bit overextended though, that's the issue. Yeah. Why you're spamming the same thing, brother? Welcome to TikTok. Yeah, welcome to TikTok. Oh, History pops in every now and then. Can we take a buy if it creates support? Yeah, we're going to need a bit more now though. We're going to need, yeah, if it creates support, I'll take a buy. Yes, that's correct. That's definitely something. Defo, decent impulse in NQ though. Let's have a look. Defo, bro, what the fuck are you looking at? There's no Defo impulse on NQ. Look at the Wall Street news. Can you just tell me so I don't have to use my brain? Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now, bro, on TikTok. Yeah, same name as my TikTok name. Daniel Holmes trades. Do you trade like Raja Banks? 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all that you gotta do. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. On Forex is yes. The mini markets. The mini markets. Very low spread. Very low spread. 1 to 2 trades a day. All right, there's that 30 closure. Crazy 30 closure. We just dropped 230 bangers. Unbelievable. Who would have thought? So if we can come down, fill some of this range, and create a bit of support, yeah, I'll buy gold back up. Torn being an alien. So if this can wick down, reject, bang bang banana, and then we'll see. NQ. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but it's just a thought. I mean, NQ. We'll just have to wait and see. Oh, yeah, sorry. No, that was a previous level earlier. Yeah, look, this was a level earlier. We smashed through it. Yeah, we just smashed through it. So I guess I'll delete that now. Yeah. Wow, this would have cooked so many people. They were all in on buys. People were in the chat zone talking about all-time highs and all sorts of shit. See how quick things can flip on you? That's why I'm always like, just do your little thing here and then get out. Don't try to think, oh, all-time highs and bing bang bananas, and nah, just do your little rat scalp and get in and out. This is, and you know what? That exact shit is why I used to fucking fail in trading, because I would always just think too much. Like I would think about, oh, this is doing this, and it's just like, nah, man, my job is just to show up, do a little thing, and then cruise. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the whole that orb strat. Nah, I don't know, bro. But yeah, I'm not a fan. Who knows? You need to get on that L-theanine supplement, bro. Really? How crazy is? I got all my bloods results back. I threw them all through ChatGPT, and turns out, yeah, boys, fucking levels are all immaculate. Maybe slightly low test levels, but that was back before that was back when I wasn't trained as much. You spoke to any Latinas in Dubai yet? Nah, man, my female experience here thus far has been really bad. Trump putting tariffs in India, maybe that's what it was, okay. Nice, Sylvia. Good. Good. You waiting for setup? Yes, waiting for setup. If this can do some sort of green thing, I'll be pretty keen. No offense, but get a family, bro. Like as in make a family. Yeah, I'll be looking to make a family soon. Yeah, I'll be looking to make a family soon. I mean, the reality is I've struggled for many years in terms of, it's my own fault, but I never wanted to start a family being the old version of myself. So I would like to get a few more things in order, and then I can start looking at that. Start looking into that. Start putting some job applications in. What kind of comment is that, bro? Welcome to, yeah, Retardville. The crazy thing is the dude that said that is guaranteed like the ultimate loser as well. Dude, no, get a family. And it's just like Bob. Just Bob, kind of on his couch or whatever. But yeah, in due time. Mary Tory trades. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. The 1 hour is still open here. It depends, JK. It depends on the situation. Bro, Tori said she's lonely in one of her shorts. I know, but she's a great marketer. You realize she says that because she knows it's all the simp traders are going to froth over and she's going to get mad engagement, and it's good marketing. Maybe I need to do that. Yeah, it's so lonely. Shit! My fucking... See why I don't take my glasses off? Who likes how I make this not so bright? I put baking paper over it. I mean, I'm just going to turn this off. It's too annoying. Just leave it like that. Fucking hell. That scared the shit out of me because I thought it was my camera. Cody on the TikTok. Start posting pics of your old bodybuilding days. Yeah. Oh, Dave. Bro, you need to read the Discord messages. You need to read the Discord. We've got a private Discord message group between me and you. Sounds good, brother. Gotta love that. Look at these random clips. Oh my god, this motherfucker's still going. Bro. 2.0 for me, bro. I said sell before. Now buy. Fix it. Oh my god, this dude. Like. Yeah, bro. You're him, bro. You're so hectic, man, honestly. Oh yeah, take your time, Dave. No rush, brother. I just thought that you might have been having some technical errors, but yeah, absolutely no rush. I just want to make sure that you're all good there. Do you play cricket? No, but when I take a trade, there's crickets in the chat because everyone freaking shits their pants. Yo, Daniel, my friend, has already MC for real. Laugh. Wait, what? What the fuck does that mean? Bro, can you show us one of your most recent jacked photos? I mean, I'm not jacked now. I'm not even jack enough. But pretty jacked. Pretty jacked, my dudes. Okay, if this comes up here more, I might be getting interested for a buy position. I'll show mummy that one. I still go to the gym, I just stopped taking steroids. How long did it take you to take that physique? Well, you know, I was training for like most of my life, but it was heavy steroid use. I used to compete bodybuilding and stuff like that. But when you said get rid of your vices, how did you do that? Well, firstly is acknowledge what they are. You have to admit to yourself what they are. That's the very first step. And then you already know, you wouldn't be writing that message if you didn't know that you needed to get rid of them. So one by one, just stop it, bro. There's no other way than just stopping. You have to just decide that I no longer do that. And the cool thing is when you do stop doing that, the benefits of doing such are going to be so amazing that you're not going to want to go back. You make money bodybuilding? Nah, there's no money in bodybuilding, bro. It's the biggest waste of time. It's the dumbest shit you can ever do. Bros was massive. Cashy. Just trying to get that cash physique, son. Nah, the fitness industry, you got to be a fucking absolute alien in order, I swear. I don't know what the fitness industry is like these days, actually. Oh, look at NQ. Very slow progression without... Well, it depends what your definition of progression is. Like, our social media has made people so diluted with what a good physique actually is that it's insane. What's your thoughts about The candlestick Bible? Yeah, I think it's a good, just basic to understand candlesticks. True or false, the majority of big guys have been on juice at one point? True. And that's not being me being a hater, that's me being somebody that's been in the, that was in the fitness industry for a long time. I was a bodybuilding coach as well, so, you know, I used to do all the cycles for the athletes and very well versed in that field, and yeah, most people are on. Are you big on journaling? Do you mean journaling in life or journaling trades? I don't know what the tariff effect will be, we'll see. Are we going to take an NQ sell? How to avoid loose skin after weight loss? I mean, depends how big you are. There's no way around it unless you get it medically like removed. Just get it removed if you care about it that much. Yeah, journaling, trading, and behavior, you got to do. You got to stay present. Yeah, you want to stay present. I mean, yeah. I don't know, you guys. This has been a bit of a lame sesh. Not much has fucking happened here. I might just give it a sec here on NQ and see if there's a potential sell opportunity here for NQ. But that's it. It's not looking too bad for a sell. I don't have much of a read on the higher time frames in terms of bias. There's clean traffic here. We're moving up. Maybe just a little rat pullback after that big push up. Kind of tapped into this range here. 30 close strong. If this can close down near the body of the previous one, I might be interested in sells, but if not, might just have to call it a fucking day, man. Yeah, I know, Pez, yeah. Not fancy on buys at the break of the current wick on gold. Nah, gold hasn't shown enough strength. Oh, it's starting to push up here. Damn. Okay. 1 hour still open. Maybe a gold buy. I thought it was bitching it. Wouldn't mind seeing a bit more strength here on gold. Push, push, push. When did you do that extreme? The 4 hour candle closed in 14 minutes. How long do you usually sit and trade for? Well, I stand, but you know, an hour and a half. I'm already here for too long. If this can push up and then reject, create a decent bottom wick and then re-break its high, I'll probably take a buy. Yeah, the 4 hours are closing up very soon. Yeah, if I get a decent bottom wick here, I might be interested in taking a little rat buy. See if we can get a bit of a play back up. You're in longs. Bro is geeky. Bro is geeking. You don't even use firms you promote. Bro, why does that matter to you? Like, how would that possibly affect you at any point to the fact that you decide to type that? Like, there's bigger issues in the world right now. People are dying. Come on, Gold, give us a bottom wick, my dude. Damn. I'm calling it, you guys. I'm fucking calling it. These are the days that test you. You get moves, but you don't get setups. Make sure you guys drop a subscribe, live every day here. But yeah, you get moves, but you don't get setups. Alright, so it's going to test your FOMO. But the reality is, what are you going to do, brother? That's all. So no trade for me so far today. Even though there's been crazy moves, there hasn't been a setup. There was a setup pre-London, but I wasn't on the chart then. NQ, let's have a look at NQ real quick. Nah, I wanted it to kind of at least come down and show more selling strength, but yeah, it could drop, but I'm not going to take that. Yeah. All good, you guys. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you for London tomorrow, and you other guys I'll chat to you in the Dissy and on the Asia stream, but GG's Gold. There was moves, but no setup. Appreciate you, gang. I'll catch up with you tomorrow, and have a good day.